వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో బాను గ్రేప్ జ్యూస్ ఎలా చేస్తారు అండ్ బాను టాయ్స్ కలెక్షన్ అన్ని వీడియో చెప్తాడు ఈ వీడియోలో. ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేస్తావు?
Grape juice, Satya Toy Collection.
ఓకే, చేసేద్దామా?
Hi friends, today I'll show you how to make grape juice. These are the ingredients: grapes, sugar, water. You can make without sugar. If you like the most sugar, you can make it. Now we put the grapes into the blender. Second, we need to add sugar. No, water. Next, we add sugar. Now we put this into the blender. Now we just have to open it. This pretty tight. Now we just have to take it out. Easy. Now we do it like this and open it up. Okay. Now we put it in here and filter it. Look at the juicy. Last step is we have to put it in. And then I'll drink it later and put it in the fridge. Hi everyone, today I will show you my toys. Look how many there are. First is the guns. This is my favorite gun because it has my favorite symbol and it's the Captain America. Now I'll show you how to shoot. First load up, and this didn't work so much. And the second toy is the train. This is my luckiest train ever. And starting from here. It can go on the rails and on the ground. So, it's going on the grade. Whoa! It's almost stuck. It's broken. Next is my favorite toy. It's the fastest car in the world. Next is this toy is the fastest car in the world. The next toy is this. This is my favorite because it goes on the ground. Now I'll show you how to play. First, turn it on. If you see the blinking, you are ready. It's too big. First, you have to go to the Orbit app and you click on it. You should see this. press this, and then you are ready to go. Press this for the go and turn it on. It don't turn it pretty much, but it's cool. Please play with it. Watch this. Go ahead, kids. Go ahead. It's doing. When it says stop, stop, stop. Stop. My next toy is a special toy. It's super duper loud. Micro. This is the my friend's mom come and give to me for this, and there's a remote for this, but it's here, and this is the remote, and this is my bro. He's a really bad robot, and he can do many tricks. He can talk, and he can listen to you. How are you? How are you? If you press this button, you can hear what Michael said, or you can talk. But it is super duper loud. Watch this.
Now that's what I call teamwork.
We got these ingredients, and if you put on these, do you know what are these? These are gonna put on these, and then you can go.
Okay, buddy, you're driving. Let's
You
roll.
don't know what to do with it, so I'm gonna tell you something. First, you need a cookie. Let's go and get a cookie. This is a cookie, and put on this, and it will take you some what? It's good for the fun cranks. Halloween cranks. Okay?
Okay.
This is a ball, and this is my favorite ball because I can catch it really much. Watch this. And this is my face stuff. Now I'll clean up and show you my 3 more toys. Let's do this. This is my art kit, and I buy it by the world. And these are some stickers. I use some buddies, and I stick them right over there. They are. I stick like 18 maybe, because I love Paw Patrol. And I'll show you how to draw. Let's
Okay, next.
Next is I will show you how to draw in here. This is the special. These are the colors. Purple, orange, blue, yellow, green, and red.
Bhanu, next prize. Next.
No,
Why?
I'll show you. This is how to draw. First, I'll show you how to draw a smile face. First, you start to make a circle one, and eye, dot, and then a smile. That's how to make. I'll make even sillier. Mama, just kidding, Mommy. And the next one is my favorite thing to do in the whole world. painting. This is the kids how to paint with the marshmallows. This, do you know, Niraru Benchi, he's the famous art inventor. And she's gonna be the best painter in the world. And this is my favorite toy in the whole world because he gave me a smile and he's gonna be my best friend. Are you my best friend? Yes, he said yes.
Okay.
Boo dog. And this is Captain America. I bought at $5 also. And this is his shield and our that. Mom! This is Catboy and this is Romeo. He's the bad guy and he's the good.
Bhanu friend.
No, mommy!
Just kidding.
And they can talk.
Okay.
Watch. Carriers. That means he can listen all the way around.
Easy hat.
Thanks to my bacon. God. Hi guys, next I'll show you my bike. This is the red. This is
చూశారు కదా బాను టాయ్స్ అండ్ వాడు జ్యూస్ ఎలా చేసేది. సో మా వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్
like it.
అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బాయ్ బాయ్ చెప్పు.